Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Your attention, please. The 1611 Stepford Connect service to...
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 3. We will call at Stepford East, Stepford Airport Parkway, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 3. The next station will be Stepford East. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.
This is Stepford East. This train is for Airport Terminal 3. The next station will be Stepford Airport.